Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you how you can fix Instagram error like try again later we restrict some activity. As you can see in the video, if I like someone's post and Instagram shows me this kind of error, then I will tell you how you can fix this kind of error. If you want to fix this type of error, the first method is you have to log out your Instagram account from your device and you have to restart the Instagram again after you have logged out your Instagram app. After logging out your Instagram app, you have to refresh your Instagram app and again you have to perform some action like you have to like someone's post. If the problem occurs again, then there is another method which is as follows. You have to click on profile. After that you have to click on three lines. In three lines you have to click on settings. After that you have to click on help. In help you have to click on report a problem. In report a problem there will be a method. You have to report this problem to Instagram team. Like as you can see, I am typing this error or problem which I am facing in Instagram. I will tell the Instagram team to solve my problem so that it won't repeat again and again. After that you can attach a photo or screenshot related to that problem. After that you have to click on submit and your problem will be submitted to Instagram team, and in few days your problem will be solved. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of our latest videos.